The online hustle. Dream versus reality. Making money online. It's the dream, right? We've all seen the headlines. Earn $5,000 a month working from your couch. Become a millionaire with this one weird trick. But let's be real. How many times have you tried those methods and ended up frustrated, broke, and ready to give up? The truth is, most online money-making schemes are either too complicated, too expensive, or straight-up scams. They prey on your desire for freedom and flexibility, promising the world but delivering very little. You spend hours watching videos, attending webinars, and setting up complicated systems, only to see zero results. It's enough to make you want to chuck your laptop out the window and swear off the internet forever. But before you do, I have something important to share with you. There's a better way to build a sustainable online income, and it doesn't involve any shady tactics or get-rich-quick schemes. It's time to ditch the hype and embrace a simpler, more effective approach to online earning. Let's face it, the online world is full of noise. It's a cacophony of voices, each one louder than the last, all vying for your attention. Everywhere you turn, there's another guru peddling the latest and greatest method for making money online. They come with flashy presentations and bold claims. They promise you instant riches with little to no effort, but the reality is far less glamorous. The truth is, these promises often lead to disappointment and frustration. You've probably tried some of these methods yourself. Maybe you've signed up for webinars, bought courses, or invested in tools that promised to be game changers. Maybe you spent countless hours building a following on social media, only to realize that turning followers into paying customers is harder than it looks. The algorithms change, engagement drops, and your efforts seem to go unnoticed. Or perhaps you invested in expensive advertising campaigns, but your ROI was dismal. The clicks didn't convert, and the money spent felt like it vanished into thin air. And let's not forget about the countless scams lurking around every corner. The internet is rife with schemes designed to part you from your hard-earned money. From fake investment opportunities to pyramid schemes disguised as business opportunities, the online world can feel like a minefield. Each step you take feels precarious, and the fear of being duped is ever present. It's no wonder so many people give up on their dreams of online success. The constant setbacks and false promises can be disheartening. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. There is a path to success that doesn't involve endless frustration and wasted effort. You don't have to be a tech whiz or a marketing genius to create a profitable online business. With the right guidance, anyone can achieve success. You just need the right tools and strategies. Tools that are designed to simplify the process, and strategies that are proven to work. You need a system that cuts through the clutter and delivers real, tangible results. You need Empire. With Empire, you can navigate the complexities of the online world with confidence and clarity. Empire is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive system that empowers you to achieve your online business goals. It's time to turn those empty promises into real success. What if I told you that you could build a thriving online business without spending a dime on ads, without the need to invest in expensive marketing campaigns, or even without having to worry about complex SEO strategies? Imagine creating a single piece of content that continues to generate income for you, day after day, month after month. Or better yet, imagine not having to create any content at all and still seeing your profits grow. What if I told you that you could start seeing tangible results in just a few days, not weeks or months? It may sound too good to be true, but it's not. This is the reality for many who have discovered the power of Empire. Empire is not just another online tool. It's a revolutionary new system that empowers anyone, regardless of their experience or technical skills, to build a profitable online business from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a complete beginner, Empire is designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind. allowing you to bypass the traditional hurdles of online marketing and start generating revenue from day one. With Empire, you don't need a fancy website with all the bells and whistles, a huge social media following with thousands of followers, or even a product to sell. We take care of all that for you. We provide you with everything you need to succeed, from pre-built sales funnels that guide your customers seamlessly through the buying process, to high-converting email sequences that keep them engaged and coming back for more. All you have to do is follow our proven system, step by step, and watch the profits roll in. It's that simple. Empire is more than just a system. It's a thriving community of like-minded individuals. When you join Empire, you gain access to a supportive network of individuals who are all on the same journey to online success. You can share your experiences, learn from others, and grow together. So why wait? Take the first step towards your online success today with Empire and join a community that's dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Section 4. Unlocking the power of Empire. Simplicity and results. So how does Empire work? It's remarkably simple. Our system leverages the power of affiliate marketing, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. But here's the best part. You don't need to spend hours researching products, creating marketing materials, or managing customer service. Empire does all the heavy lifting for you. We provide you with a curated selection of high-quality products that are proven to convert. We also equip you with pre-written email swipes, social media posts, and other marketing materials that you can use to promote these products to your audience. All you have to do is drive traffic to your personalized affiliate links, and Empire takes care of the rest. Our automated system tracks your sales and ensures that you get credited for every single one. It's that easy. No tech skills required, no prior experience necessary, just a willingness to learn and a desire to succeed. Section 5. Real people, real success. Empire testimonials. In this section, we bring you the voices of those who have experienced the transformative power of Empire firsthand. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the stories of real people who have turned their lives around with Empire. Here are just a few stories from real people who are using Empire to achieve incredible results. People just like you, who took a chance and saw their lives change for the better.
I was skeptical at first, unsure if this was just another empty promise. But I'm so glad I decided to give Empire a try. It has exceeded all my expectations. I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job, something I never thought possible, and finally have the freedom and flexibility I've always dreamed of. Now I can work from anywhere, anytime.
Empire has been a game changer for me. It has revolutionized the way I think about earning money. I've tried every online money-making method under the sun, from surveys to freelance gigs, but nothing comes close to the simplicity and effectiveness of this system. It's straightforward and user-friendly.
I'm a single mum of 2, and I never thought I'd be able to make a full-time income online. Balancing work and family seemed impossible, but thanks to Empire, I'm now earning more than I ever thought possible, all while working from home. I can be there for my kids and still provide for them.
These are just a few examples of the countless success stories we've witnessed since launching Empire. Every day, more people are discovering the benefits of this incredible platform. And the best part is, these could be your stories too. Imagine the possibilities and the freedom you could achieve. With Empire, you have the power to transform your life and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Take the first step today and join the growing community of successful Empire users.